Mark here. It's 10:20 Eastern Time, April the 17th. That will be 2:20 GMT. US session well underway for 2 hours now, and got almost 45 minutes left to go of the European session. Let's have a look at how the dollar is performing and the major currency pairs. Start with the US dollar index, gives us an overview of the US dollar against a basket of currencies. And as you can see, it is now continuing yesterday's sell-off. It was stuck here a little bit at that support level of 99, but certainly is pushing lower as we speak, a continuation of dollar weakness. Let's zoom in on the hourly. There you can see it. There is the support level and breaking through right now. US session started and US dollar weakness continuing at this point. Let's have a look and zoom in at our major currency pairs. The four pairs I'm going to look at, the euro, pound, yen, and Canadian, make up the bulk of that dollar index. Let's have a look at the euro. Euro starting to continue yesterday's push higher. Been a strong uptrend, as you know, the euro, that's dollar weakening. Dollar did make a little bit of a fight back earlier today during the Asian European session, but now euro continuing to strengthen, US dollar continuing to weaken. Looking up here at resistance at 114.15. That is the 4-hour resistance. 4-hour support 113.37. Let's zoom into the 4-hour. And there you can see bounced up off the support level at 113.40 and now looking to break higher than this intraday resistance, looking to come up and test the 114.15 area, and that is the 4-hour resistance. If I zoom in on the hourly, the uptrend should look stronger. There you can see pushing up nicely, looking to break above this 113.81 up to the resistance at 114.15. Let's have a look at the pound. Pound's been really strong against, like all the other majors, against the US, and there it goes again today. Off the support level at 131.99, let's call it $1.32, and looking to come up and test this resistance level at 132.94. That's the daily resistance. Let's zoom into the 4-hour. And you can see how it did bounce up off the support. Nice little double bottom there at the 132 level. Resistance has become support. That's always relevant. And now coming up to test the 132.92 resistance level. If I go to the hourly, again, we'll look even stronger. There you go. There you can see how resistance turned into support and coming up to test the daily resistance level. Let's have a look at the yen. Try that again, US dollar yen. And the daily to start. Always like to take a step back, have a look at the big picture, and then zoom in to see what's happening right now. Look at the big picture on the US dollar yen. Looks pretty much where it closed yesterday at that 141.90 level. Let's zoom in on the 4-hour. There you can see resistance at the 142.84, coming down now to test that daily support at 141.61. EMA is crossing over on the 4-hour, means they'll have crossed over on the hourly. There you got the signal a little while ago, got held up. Again, support area turned into resistance. Nice confirming red candlestick. It's followed through now, sitting at 141.92, and looking to come and test the daily support at 141.62. US dollar Canadian. There's also sitting where it closed yesterday at that 138.58 level, very close to the daily support at 138.28. If we zoom into the 4-hour, there you can see since the close yesterday, it did try higher up to $1.39, has come back down now and tested that same 4-hour support at 138.45. And if I zoom into the hourly, you can see how strong this support level is at the 38.50. Spoke about that yesterday as well. The 38.50 is a tough level in US Canadian. 38.50 tough, the same as the 39.50 will be tough. And we could see trading within that range for a while. Buyers trying to get up to the 140, sellers trying to get down below the 138.50. Good trading and keep that discipline.